What's up guys, Nick No K here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like a month or two ago, I did a video on how to take photos of your bike, and right now I am taking even better photos of my bike. So I figured I would just show you guys because I have the camera here. So what we're doing right now is we've got this big old softbox thing right above the bike with a flash inside of it. And I want all the stuff in the background to just like fade to black. So I set the ambient exposure real dark, put this at full power, and just took a couple shots. And here's what those look like real quick.
Insert.
So that's what it looks like right now, but so that's what it looks like right now, but I think I can make it even better. So I'm gonna grab another stand and another flash and maybe throw like a purple gel on it, and I'm gonna put it over here. So let's get that set up. Okay, so we're gonna put this one over here. This is the one that's gonna have our purple gel. And we might have to we might throw some like atmosphere smoke in the sky to get some like, so you can see the purple. Otherwise, you're only gonna see the purple actually on the bike. We wanna get some like dust particles lit up in the sky. So we're gonna create those dust particles without actually having dust. Can you guys hear that hub back there? Thing's loud.
God, shut up, Spencer.
And we want this out of frame because I don't want to fucking see it. So we're just gonna put this like right here. And that one's on full power because it's going through like 2 layers of diffusion. So this one is not gonna, this one's gonna be very subtle. If it's too bright, we're not gonna see that purple that I'm going for. And so for gels, let's see. We've got like a lavender and a deep purple. Which one do you think? This is like deep purple, and hold on. And this one's more like lavender. Which one do you think? This one's probably better for the bike, huh?
Yeah, that one looks like more.
All right.
I like the bike color.
So usually I use Magmod stuff, but I only have blue and orange gels for the Magmod system, so I have to use this ghetto like Amazon kit. But it's all good. Whatever does the job. All right. Let's turn this on. Make sure this is set to channel C, which it is, because this is B. We don't want them to think. Good. All right, so this one's on full power. This one we're gonna put on a quarter power, take a test shot, and see what that looks like. Ooh, and see already that was our first shot. Looks pretty dope with that little bit of purple coming in. It might be a little too much purple though, so I'm gonna go down a stop of power on that because that might be too much for me. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so now we've got that. Now what I want to do is play with just a couple different angles for a second. Try to find that perfect one before I start adding the smoke. Ooh, that's gonna be the one. All right. Let's use the rest of this one first.
What is Spencer watching over here?
Spencer's watching Pink BMX.
What are you watching, bro?
A vlog of how many times you told me I felt on a tailwind.
Oh.
Okay, so we're getting this atmosphere everywhere. Now, before that friggin' flies away, let's take a view. It's pretty good, but I want to, now that the smoke is there, I kind of want to amp the purple back up again. Ooh, see, and it's just subtle, but it's just, okay, so that's what it looks like if we go straight behind it. I don't like that as much. All right, so we had a really good photo already without the purple, but I just knew throwing that in would add just more substance, you know? So I'm gonna spray some more smoke in the air, maybe move the flash just barely to try to get some more of that smoke behind the bike, and see what happens. I want more of that smoke lit up. So maybe we can move back here. We want it to be even. This is a poor man's hazer, because the hazer is like 8 grand. So hazer is not the same as a fog machine. We don't want fog. Oh yeah. So what I want to do is I want to get some of the guys a sick photo with them standing with their bike. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this flash a little bit, angle it, and then put that colored flash behind us. So I'm going to go ahead and move this stuff real quick. All right, so now I'm going to raise this just barely so this way it'll light my face and the bike with me standing with it. And we'll put this kind of like, maybe I'm in the way. So, no, you're probably pretty fine. All right, right there is probably decent. And then let's put this behind me. All right, so Jake, grab that camera.
Oh goddamn, I'm photographer now?
That one, yeah. Woo! Oh, and if you've seen my how to take good bike photos, that little thing is genius. Buy one. They're like $3. Star button.
Yep. That was so shit.
Well, it's because that's the second one. The first one, has light. Ooh, it's not bad.
Damn, what a boss.
I know, right? It's not bad. Hold on, we're close. Photo. All right, Spencer, just go ahead and kind of light it up behind me. Like lower. And then let's try and just like, try not to get in front. All right, focus on my face.
Hey, get the fuck out of the way, Spencer. Hold on, let me do another one. There's not much smoke.
Do one more quick. Eyeballs.
Ah.
Yeah, it's not showing up as much.
Nah, it wasn't right. I think it needs to like, I don't know. What do I know?
I know.
I just know how to ride a bike, that's it.
I feel.
Okay, so there is some there. Okay, so then this is what we're gonna do then. Watch it. Let's try it.
Nick, I charge $100 an hour.
Do it behind me.
Light it up, brah. Okay, a little more like on Nick's left side.
Like everywhere.
Scoot back a little bit, Spencer. Scoot back a little bit. Yeah, there you go. All right, get out of the way, Spencer. Let me think of the huh. Yo,
We get something finally?
that's $1 million shot right there.
What? That's crazy.
Not bad.
I didn't expect that.
I think it's fucking dope. Cool, thank you for your help.
Yeah, you're welcome. That's $300 right there.
Ooh.
400.
And it's even in focus,
Bye.
that's the best part. So this is kind of like in between a vlog and a how-to. The reason I say it's a vlog because you probably haven't learned anything from me, so. But the reason I say how-to is because I'm trying to explain it. Must go higher. Spencer, what color do you want?
Blue.
Blue.
Spencer wants
Blue.
like a dark blue, like a baby blue, like a blue to match like your seat post.
Blue.
So Spencer wants a blue to match his seat post. Oh, this is kind of like a teal. I don't know if that's a good one. This is kind of blue. I'm gonna go with this one. Over here more. We don't want it, like I said, we don't really, and then kind of low too. Okay, that's good. I think the first one's dialed. Yeah, I think that's pretty dialed. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Cool.
Man.
All right. And so yeah, so that's how you take better bike photos, even cooler ones. Get a big old light, just for fun. If you guys are watching this video, you've already seen the final photo of the bike because it's probably the one I used to announce the color of the frame. Thanks for watching this photo tip, and we'll see you guys in the next video.